Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The Asma Jahangir conference held over the weekend in Lahore generated plenty of noise and controversy in terms of what the speakers said and who the speakers were. Full stop. However, while the discourse and debate on the role of the judiciary and the strong opinions expressed both in favor of and against judicial performance are par for the course. What was clearly not was the attempt to gag the speech of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. Full stop. New paragraph. Information Minister Fawad Chaudhry had protested Mr. Sharif's selection as the final speaker and had bowed out of the conference as is his right, but whoever was responsible for disconnecting the internet in order to stop the former PM's address being shown at the venue clearly crossed a line. Full stop. Pemra has already slapped a ban on his speeches being televised by news channels, but this does not mean that he is not allowed to speak at private events. Full stop. New paragraph. Somehow Pakistani governments refuse to learn that banning leaders and blacking out their speeches has never had the effect that the government has desired. Full stop. Politics has a way of channelizing itself through various means. Full stop. Even in the days when there were no private channels and no social media and PTV only showed ministers while pretending no opposition existed, politics continued to shape the national discourse. Full stop. In this day and age, therefore, it is almost infantile for governments to try and block the speech of its opponent by means that are laughably crude and amusingly ineffective. Full stop. One expected better from the PTI government. Full stop. New paragraph. The conference, however, witnessed a fruitful debate over the role of the judiciary, and it was instructive to hear the honorable judges themselves address the topic. Full stop. This has become all the more relevant after recent allegations against the former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Saqib Nisar. Full stop.